Today, we're diving into a developing story that has captured global attention. Explosive footage showing a Ukrainian strike on a key Russian radar installation designed to protect the skies over Moscow. This incident is already being described as one of the boldest and most symbolic moves of the war so far. In this video, we're going to break down what happened, why it matters, and how it could reshape the strategic landscape of the conflict. The footage first appeared on social media platforms where military analysts quickly identified the location as part of Russia's early warning network. This radar isn't just any ordinary military site. It's part of a bigger system meant to detect incoming missiles long before they reach Russian airspace. Damaging, it sends a powerful message, and Ukraine seems determined to demonstrate that even Russia's most heavily guarded assets are not untouchable. In the clip, we see a sudden flash followed by a plume of smoke rising from the installation. Experts reviewing the video believe it was likely a long-range drone or missile strike. Ukraine has been rapidly improving its long-range attack capability in recent months, developing systems that can travel hundreds of kilometers. If Ukraine was indeed behind this strike, it highlights just how far-reaching and effective these weapons have become. For Russia, this event raises serious concerns. Their radar network is essential for monitoring threats from NATO, the Middle East, and Asia. Losing even one installation weakens that shield and creates blind spots. Moscow has invested billions in maintaining its early warning infrastructure, so any attack on it is alarming, not only strategically but also symbolically. Ukraine, on the other hand, views strikes like this as an essential part of its defense strategy. Kiev argues that Russia has been launching long-range missile and drone attacks at Ukrainian cities for months. By targeting Russian military infrastructure, Ukraine believes it is simply responding in kind. The strike wasn't directed at civilians, but at a critical component of Russia's military apparatus. The significance of this event also lies in the location of the radar. It sits far from the front lines, deep inside Russian territory. Reaching this site shows that Ukraine can now conduct precision attacks well beyond occupied areas. This capability changes the dynamics of the war by putting pressure on Russia in places it once considered safe. Military experts are now debating the broader implications. Some believe this strike could force Russia to stretch its air defenses even thinner. If Ukraine can hit important sites far from the battlefield, Russia must redistribute its resources across a much wider area. This means fewer assets at the front and more pressure on an already strained defense network. Others warn that Russia could respond aggressively. Whenever Ukraine strikes a sensitive target, Moscow often retaliates with large-scale missile attacks. Cities like Kiev, Kharkiv, and Odessa have experienced such responses in the past. The coming days may show whether Russia sees this radar strike as a provocation that requires a forceful reaction. Another critical angle is how this affects international involvement. Western allies have supplied Ukraine with a variety of long-range weapons, but they often insist they must not be used to strike deep inside Russia. Ukraine has developed many of its long-range drones domestically, bypassing those restrictions. Still, every strike inside Russia raises diplomatic questions among Ukraine's supporters. Despite the political complexity, Ukraine's objective remains clear: reduce Russia's ability to wage war effectively. Hitting surveillance and early warning systems disrupts the chain of command and limits Russia's vision on the battlefield. In modern warfare, information is power, and radar installations provide essential intelligence. Damaging one can have ripple effects across the entire defense system. Social media has been buzzing with reactions. Some users praise Ukraine's precision and innovation, calling the attack a turning point. Others express concern that deeper strikes inside Russia might escalate the conflict further. The reality is that every new strike adds another layer of uncertainty to an already volatile situation. Satellite images released after the incident show visible damage to the radar array and parts of the surrounding infrastructure. Analysts say repairs could take weeks or even months. During that time, Russian defenses will have to compensate to cover the gap. Whether they can fully restore the system remains to be seen. Ukraine's military officials have not publicly confirmed their involvement, following their usual pattern of strategic ambiguity. They typically avoid admitting responsibility for attacks inside Russia, allowing speculation to circulate while keeping operational details secret. This approach helps protect the methods and technologies used in the attack. Russian media, meanwhile, has provided limited coverage of the incident. State outlets rarely acknowledge major military vulnerabilities unless the information becomes impossible to hide. Independent Russian sources, however, have reported unusual activity in the region, including emergency crews and military transport vehicles arriving shortly after the explosion. International security experts have long warned that the war could spill beyond the borders of Ukraine. Strikes like this highlight how the conflict is evolving into a broader strategic contest. Ukraine is demonstrating that it can penetrate Russian defenses while Russia seeks to maintain its image of strength and control. Some analysts suggest that Ukraine's motivation isn't only military, but also psychological. Showing that Russia's early warning systems can be hit undermines confidence among Russian military planners. It sends a signal to the Kremlin that distance no longer guarantees safety. That shift in perception alone has enormous strategic value. If Ukraine continues developing long-range capabilities, more such strikes may occur. This could lead to new defensive strategies on both sides, including increased electronic warfare, improved radar shielding, and enhanced anti-drone systems. The battlefield is expanding, and both nations must adapt quickly to a changing environment. One of the most important questions now is whether this will influence future peace negotiations or military strategies. While it's too early to predict, actions like this show Ukraine is not willing to sit idly while Russia maintains superiority in long-range attacks. Instead, Ukraine is pushing the limits and testing Russia's ability to defend itself. The strike also highlights the importance of technological innovation in modern conflicts. Ukraine has shifted away from relying solely on Western supplies and has invested heavily in its domestic drone program. These drones are inexpensive, flexible, and capable of reaching deep targets. They represent a new chapter in asymmetric warfare, where smaller nations can challenge larger adversaries through innovation. This event also raises concerns for global security. Early warning radars play a role in detecting potential nuclear threats. Damaging them, even unintentionally, risks miscommunication or misinterpretation during times of tension. While Ukraine targeted a conventional military site, the broader implications are impossible to ignore. As the footage continues to circulate online, analysts will keep examining every frame to understand the type of weapon used, the angle of the strike, and the exact damage inflicted. These details will help determine whether the attack was part of a coordinated strategy or a standalone operation aimed at testing Russia's defenses. For Ukraine, the strike is a demonstration of resilience and determination. For Russia, it's a reminder that the war has entered a new phase where distance offers no guarantee of protection. For the international community, it's another sign that the conflict is becoming increasingly unpredictable. The coming days will likely bring more updates, satellite images, and official statements. But one thing is already clear: this attack will be remembered as one of the most significant deep strike operations of the war so far. It showcases how rapidly the battlefield is changing and how both nations are adapting their strategies. If more such footage emerges, it could paint an even clearer picture of Ukraine's long-range capabilities. Until then, the world watches closely, waiting to see how Russia responds and how Ukraine uses this moment to strengthen its strategic position. Every strike, every piece of footage, and every analysis brings us closer to understanding the shifting balance of power. This incident will likely remain at the center of military discussions for weeks to come. Its impact reaches far beyond the damaged radar site. It challenges assumptions, provokes debate, and reshapes how both sides plan their next moves. Thank you for watching and staying informed as this conflict continues to evolve. Stay tuned for more updates, analysis, and breakdowns of major developments from around the world.